Hey guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some cute little envelopes that is up on Etsy if you're all interested. I have been working on my Etsy shop trying to get it started back again, and thank you for those who have already ordered. So this one right here is the Roll and Save March Savings Challenge that I've done or fixing to do. And then we have the Roll and Save Woof. They are awesome little, you even get the tracker on the back. We have the Owl Roll and Save. We have the mini Scooby-Doo game. This one right here, if you land on like Scooby, Shaggy, Thelma, you save $5. If you land on the villain, you'll save $10. And it also has a tracker on the back of it. This one right here is my save with Melvin. What I did was I just went around and put the 1s and the 5s and 10s and 15. This money will go into my bank. And then we have Gnomes challenges up. We have hummingbirds. We have groceries. We've got treat yourself. We have a coffee envelope. We have electricity envelope. And we have the water envelope. So guys, if you're interested, just head on over to my Etsy shop. It is in the description below. And I will talk to you all later. Bye guys.